Alright, so for this problem, we are factoring and solving x to the fourth plus 4 equals 0. So pause the video now to solve this on your own. Alright, so this problem might seem daunting at first, but because we don't really have a sum of squares. But what we can do, we can use something known as Sophie Germain's identity. So over here we have Germain's identity. So we start with a to the fourth plus 4b to the fourth. And now what we're going to do, we're going to add 4a squared b squared over here plus 4b to the fourth. And we're going to subtract this so these cancel out. And now what we can notice is we can write this as a squared plus 2b squared squared. So we have a squared plus 2b squared squared. And now we can realize this is 2ab squared. So now notice how we have a difference of squares here. So we can actually write this as a squared plus 2b squared minus 2ab times a squared plus 2b squared plus 2ab. So now when we come back to this problem, we can write it in the form x in parentheses, for emphasis, plus 4 times 1 to the fourth equals 0. So now we can use the same second step. So we have x to the fourth plus 4x squared times 1 squared plus 1 to the fourth minus 4x squared times 1 squared equals 0. So now going through the same process, we have x squared plus 2b squared, which is going to end up just being 2 squared minus, over here we have 2, just x, since the 1 is just going to get canceled, squared equals 0. So now we can finally factor this using difference of squares. So we have x squared minus 2x plus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 2 equals 0. So now what we can do is we can use the quadratic formula to get our final 4 solutions. So we have x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this is 2 plus or minus 4 minus 8 is going to be negative 4 over 2. So this is 2 plus or minus 2i over 2. So this is going to end up being 1 plus or minus I. Alright, so now what we have is we have this second one here. So we have x equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we have negative 2 plus or minus, same thing, we have negative 4 over 2a, so this is negative 2 plus or minus 2i over 2. So our final answers are going to be 1 plus or minus I and -1 plus or minus I. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel.